Tanny is eating pizza right now. Tanny, what do you have to say about tomorrow being your birthday?
I'm gonna get drunk. What is that?
You wanna get drunk?
And like.
Drunk and laid? Yo! Sorry, did anybody hear me? Oh, that's my nigga Ramon right here.
Saying that money.
Yo, stop calling me that.
Where's my camera?
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not.
I think it is.
No, it's not. Look, watch.
He's well taller than Foxy. You see this?
Dang, look how funny.
Yo, you is well taller than
Look,
Foxy. Is that the same
It's
camera?
not the same camera, looky.
Yes, it is.
Look, do you see that there? No, right?
Oh, I had that one. That was the first camera I had.
He just threatened me.
Stole them.
Somebody stole your camera?
I hate that song so much. I really do.
Wait, what song you hate?
That Pepe shit. Talking about dick and shit.
That's about this.
Where's that playing from?
Papa.
It's too out loud. Zaina go eat.
No, I don't want no pizza. I don't like
Talking Japanese, and talking Japanese, I really think so.
You singing that?
No, I'm not singing that song.
Oh. How you stop this? Oh, wait.
No, no.